The ransomware will only ever be on your network. So it'll have access to everything that you have access to. But if you are to use an external provider of some description, be that, Proact, obviously we do backup as a service, and that's a good example. So is utilizing cloud storage like AWS and Azure. So is utilizing SaaS providers to a certain extent. But the key element is the fact that once the data is outside of your network, it is then no longer able to be attacked by that particular ransomware attack. And actually that isolation from your systems is probably, and no disrespect to Rick here, it's probably more powerful than immutability. Because immutability is great from the point of view of storing data locally and for holding onto that data locally, and it can't be deleted. But having it off your network as well is probably better, just slightly.
Yeah, 100%.
So
100%.
Yeah, it's really important.
Multiple domains,
to get the data away.
Domains of administration, domains of failure. These are good principles, and a real simple one is when you have the software as a service model. There's a control plane that, from the customer perspective, really isn't yours. And that is good because it is a good separation. And then if you think about backup as a service offerings, those are secret weapon things, because this is, I'm going to go into a hole here, because this is one of my most consistent observations of ransomware response. A lot of organizations can't restore back to where they came from. Think of the like a digital equivalent of like police tape wrapped around the data center, because there might need to be an investigation of what happened. That is something a lot of people don't think about. They might have immutable copies for days, but if you can't go back to where you came from, then you have a new problem, and you didn't plan for it.